Chhota beem, stay safe from germs. Beem is a superhero. Bad germs are out there. Germs can make us sick. Beem tells us how to stay safe. Germs can be in a sneeze. Germs can be in a cough. Germs can be on hands. Germs can be on doors. We have ways to stay safe. Wash hands with soap and water. Stay away when people are sick, 6 feet away from others. Do not touch our faces. Stay out of big groups. Stay home if we feel sick. This helps us stay safe. Don't worry, take good care, stay safe.